In this video, we're going to take a look at YARDI Voyager. Is this the best property management software out there or not? So I have a list with different pros and cons. So we're going to start with the pros. As you can see, powerful all-in-one property management tool, scalable for large portfolios, strong accounting and reporting features, and cloud-based with strong security. Then the cons: steep learning curve, high cost for small landlords, and outdated interface in some modules. Setup and customization can be time consuming. So Yardi Voyager is ideal for large property managers needing robust enterprise grade tools, but may not be the best choice for smaller landlords or those wanting a more modern plug and play solution. So these are some pros and cons. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.